Hi guys, welcome to Villa Pattaya and today I'm gonna cook spicy seafood with Thai herb. I'm gonna use the Thai noodle. Now you throw everything in. It's looking good already. And I can smell the Thai herbs in there. Time to put on the plates. Oh, chili. You got seafood in there, squid. Oh, I can smell it. It's really, really good. Oh, this is what look like now. You can use what I use just mama and just soy sauce, some chili, and Thai herbs. Let's try. Alright. Tell me what you think.